Hey, do you want to learn how to use Jotform AI Data Assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to use it. So let's get to it. First, you need to go over to this website. You can go through the link in the description. It's going to help me out with a small commission. So right over here, meet Jotform AI Data Assistant. You can go over to AI products on the top and then go to AI Data Assistant. They have added it recently and you can do a lot more with this. They already had the tables feature in Jotform before, but now they have added the AI to it. So you can create a table, track your orders, you can import from Google Sheets, the CSV file, etc. And you can do all of this that it shows here. You can find over budget expenses, summarize your costs, show summary chart, and a lot more. So you can see all of this here. What I'm going to do is go over here, right here in the prompt, type in, create a table with e-commerce data sales, reviews, feedbacks, orders, etc. Create a sample data of 20 rows. I've entered in this last line. You can just remove it and upload your own CSV file if you have the data in it. Then all you need to do is just press on the send button. And then it's going to start creating the table with all the sample entries with the AI. All right, now the table is made. We've got the data inside it, the sample data. We can ask the AI on the left-hand side to add new things in it. So for example, I can ask it to change the reviews for each of these orders. And you can see it's creating it in real time right here. Now, just like this, you can ask the AI to create anything. Like you can ask it to make another row, another column, change the quantity, and a lot more. Next, what I'm going to do is ask the AI to show the summary chart of the September orders. Let's try this out. We've got a few orders for September here in this table, and you can see this is what it has created. What it will do is it will create a graphic for you, which you can then share with your team members, and you can download it from here to your computer. It's going to download it in a .png file, and you can also click on it to see the graphic here. You can also summarize all the data in this table. Now, next up, what we are going to do is ask the AI on the left-hand side to categorize each order based on the feedback. So first we need to select both of these. So select the review and the review star rating. So press on the control button and then select the other column as well. And then on the left-hand side, you will see two columns selected. Let's enter this right here. Categorize each order based on feedback, positive, negative, neutral. Make a new column. Now let's send it. All right, so it has created a new column called review sentiment, and it has added positive, negative for each of these rows based on the data, the order data, the review and such. All right, so just like this, you can ask the AI to do things in the table. The tables feature was already there before. Now they have this data assistant to help you with the tables. If in case this on the left-hand side is not available for you, it is like this. What you need to do is press on the bottom right corner. You'll find this Ask Assistant. Press on it. And then it's going to give you this pop-up on the left-hand side. You can also use the talk feature, like talk to it. And it's going to convert your speech into the prompt in the prompt bar. So speech to text, it can do that. There's also this upload file and select a column. So I can select the order ID from here as well. Or I can just go here and select the columns. If you want to select multiple columns, it's easy as well. You can just select one column here, and then if you want to select the second column, just press on the control button and then press on the other column, and then it's going to select multiple columns like this. If you want to see your history, the past chats, you can go over here on the left hand side on the top here, this time icon, press on it, and then it's going to show you all the other chats that you've done for this table. You can view all the chat history, or you can start a new chat from here. You can also push this data assistant from the left sidebar to right sidebar like this, or floating. Also, if you go to the complete right side, you'll find this add button. You can click on it. And then there's this AI columns here. You can choose any of these like translate, calculate, summarize, etc. Sentiment analysis and such. Custom AI column. You can select all of this. You got the other columns here as well. But these are, I think these are the basic ones which were there before. And you can also click here on the table name. Right next to it, you see the three dots. Click on that. And you can import data. This is also a new thing that they have added. So you can import the data using a .csv file, XLS file, etc. If you've got your data on Google Sheets, you can export the data from there in a .csv file, and you can import the data over here. If you want to download this data that it has created, everything is done, and you want to download the data, you can press on these three dots, and then you can go over to download here and download as a CSV, Excel file, etc. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use Jotform AI Data Assistant. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And if you want to learn what else you can do with this Jotform AI Data Assistant, you can go over to this main website and then you can scroll down. You'll find all the information here. If you want more tutorials on Jotform AI or Jotform related products, it's available on the right hand side. Check it out. See you there. Bye for now.